Assalamualaikum students of class 6. I hope you are all fine. In New Oxford Modern English Workbook 6, we are going to learn about punctuations. Let's learn about these punctuations, like what are these and how they help in sentences. Punctuation marks are used in writing to separate sentences and their elements and to clarify meaning. While writing हम पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स यूज़ करते हैं ताकि हम सेंटेंसेस और उनके एलिमेंट्स को सेपरेट कर सकें और मीनिंग्स को क्लैरिफाई कर सकें. Here we have some of the punctuation marks like comma, colon, semicolon, period or full stop, question mark, slash or oblique, hyphen, exclamation mark, ellipsis, square brackets, apostrophe, parentheses, quotation marks, and dash. We use all of these when needed according to our sentence, and obviously they help to clarify meanings. Let's discuss some of the punctuation marks and their use. Like full stop is used at the end of a sentence. फुल स्टॉप को हम सेंटेंस के लास्ट पे एंड पे इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हमें ये मालूम हो जाता है कि यहाँ बात ख़त्म हो चुकी है. देन वी हैव क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्वेश्चन मार्क इज़ यूज्ड एट द एंड ऑफ एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस टू फॉर्म अ क्वेश्चन. एक इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस या ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें सवाल पूछा जा रहा हो उसके लास्ट में हम क्वेश्चन मार्क का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कॉमा. Comma is used to denote a pause in a sentence. जुमले में पॉज को जाहिर करने के लिए उसकी निशानदेही करने के लिए हम कॉमा का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used to denote shock, surprise, anger or a raised voice. किसी भी किस्म के स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस को जाहिर करने के लिए हम एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Some of those emotions are described here like shock, surprise, anger, or a raised voice. Then there are quotation marks. We use quotation marks to show that someone else has said it. जब हमने सेंटेंस में किसी की बात का बताना हो, किसी की स्पीच को डिस्क्राइब करना हो, हम quotation marks का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Colon. We use colon to indicate what is to follow next. हम colon का इस्तेमाल करते हैं ये बताने के लिए कि next अब इस चीज़ को explain किया जाएगा. Mostly हम explanation के लिए colon का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Semicolon. Semicolon is used to link two independent clauses. दो independent clauses को आपस में जोड़ने के लिए हम semicolon का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Apostrophe. We use apostrophe to show possession or for contraction of words. मलकियत जाहिर करने के लिए या वर्ड्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हम apostrophe का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Hyphen. We use hyphen to glue words together. वर्ड्स को आपस में जोड़ने के लिए हम hyphen का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Slash or oblique. We use slash to separate letters, numbers or words. Obviously we know that slash is used to separate these things. Ellipsis mark. It is used to separate items in a series. एक सीरीज़ में आइटम को सेपरेट करने के लिए हम एलिप्सिस मार्क का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इसके अलावा हम ये उस वक्त भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हमने स्पीच में ये इंडिकेट करना हो that there is some omission. Then we have round brackets. These are used to add extra information in a sentence. एक sentence में round brackets में हम extra informations को add कर सकते हैं. So these are some of the punctuation marks and It is also mentioned here that how we can denote all of these punctuation marks. Like this is our full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, colon, hyphen, or brackets. Here the question related to our topic punctuation was: punctuate the following sentences. Use quotation marks, capital letter, exclamation marks, question marks, commas, apostrophes, and full stops where necessary. Here we have a first sentence without any punctuation. We can see that it is not well defined, and also we are unable to get the message here. Let's add punctuation marks to clarify the meanings. Quotation marks are added that explain that these words are said by someone. With the help of this question mark, we get to know that it was a question asked by someone. Then we have these commas which are differentiating the words in series. Now, with the help of these punctuation marks, we get to know about true meanings of the sentence. Next sentence is: you are getting the idea, I said. Again, quotation marks, and here we have apostrophe to show the contraction of you are, and at the end of the sentence we have marked full stop or period to show that sentence is complete here. Keeping these minor details in your mind, you can solve the whole exercise. Here you need to be very accurate with these punctuation marks. That was all for today. Thank you so much and goodbye.